ଛୋଟି games माने हमें shape को चिनिबा ओके हमें shape को माने how many shapes are there which type of shapes are there about that today we will learn okay I have brought some few shapes you have to learn that shapes okay understand so which shape this one which shape this is a square shape understand okay very good what about this shape very good this is a heart shape what about this shape triangle shape very good next what about this shape this is a circle shape understand can you see circle okay very good what about this shape rectangle this is a rectangle shape understand students very good next what about this this is a star shape this is a star shape okay very good what about this shape